Liquidity strategy will help you scale your trading to the next level. If you are just learning forex, listen to this video to the end because I'm going to be revealing something to you and you stop losing henceforth. Last week, do not forget I came here and we discussed, and of course I gave us some pairs that we're going to be looking out, and amazingly, most of them played out. I some we played out, and we didn't take their sum due to no entering, and that's what I want you to look into so that you can learn something. They don't call back testing. Most traders avoid this a lot. That is, whenever you trade for the week, you just forget it and then focus on the next week. No, go back to it again. What are the trades you picked for that week? Analyze them, look over. Oh my! Because that time you are so emotional, you want to make money, you are thinking of bills. Oh, let me pay this, let me pay, let me cash out. You are, a lot of things is just wrong with you. But over the weekend, you're so calm, you're so cool, you're so collected, you're so comfortable. So of course, those emotions running up and down, everything it will not happen to you. By the time you are looking at, oh, I should have just done this. Wow, this is a sell. This is a buy. Oh, I should have just waited for this. Oh, can I? Oh, this is confirmation. Oh my God, I can. Oh, fuck. Those things will help you a lot. And by the time you come to the market next week, you're coming up freshly. You're coming with more knowledge. You're coming with more insight. You're coming with more calmness that you'll be able to go over the weekend, and you have seen them. These are the things that have helped me so much more, and I'm trying to reveal it out there for you. So oftentimes, most of the things I learn often is after outside of the market because you feel so calm and collected. You feel what market is doing and you see, you could able to see, and that's the thing I want to do today. Okay, so follow me through in this next 2 minutes, and we are revealing mighty stuff to you. The first one, last week market when you can see the gap market was somewhere around here. I saw this and I draw my what trend line, trend channel. It's called trend channel. When you see market moving in China like this slant, it's called trend channel. Though it was in a sell format, but a trend. So I had to draw my trend channel. Can you see? Whenever we are in this channel, we reacted. So I was letting it to react also to this down channel. So my market was here. I was just said that I was saying that I told us that last week that I was looking for a sell at this point. When market do these three injections, when they made three injections, I already have had more position. Immediately market push this like this, I had more positions. Then we had our close around here. I closed my position around here. Market still pushed it down here because I saw that there is a reaction. There could be a reaction at this junction. So I closed around here, but market still moved down to this point. Wow. When market moved down to this point, I didn't take a buy. I didn't take a buy at first. I didn't take a buy at first until I saw this pin bar. Can you see? So I saw this pin bar and I saw confirmation on my 15-minute time frame. Let me show you guys. So I was after, I told us that I'm going to looking for a sell, and once it comes here, I'm going to looking for a buy. So that because of what the trend, when whenever you see market moving this way, you can always do a what? Yeah, it's called channel trend. Can you do a channel trend? This two channel trend will help you to make a decision. Whenever it breaks above or breaks below, then you can take an overall decision for that. Now, remember, if the market breaks above, then you can be able to buy overall the buy. So I will also pick this. It was just because of what I saw. Let me show you. Market will always give you confirmation. Will always give you an hint. Will always tell you something that I'm ready to buy, I'm ready to buy, I'm ready to buy, I'm ready to buy. It will always give you something that will show that, oh, truly this market is a buy, this market is about to do sell, market is about to do something like that. Can you see? It did a little bit forming another block here, then broke it. After breaking, I was expecting to come back again. After breaking this, a humongous bearish candle and takes away all this low. This was the last low we ever had. See the last low. See, that was around 113.60. Let me say 64. Market stopped at 113.60 55, about 10 pips above below. It shows that it has broken that place. So I was not even looking for any more buy. By the time I saw the market coming back to this our last low, then I knew it was what I entered as what at a sniper. Then I saw my entering as what 15 minutes. Let me show you guys. I will enter at what at a sniper. At a sniper. I saw this change of structure. I saw this confirmation candlestick. I even told you guys that you have to learn candlesticks. Candlesticks speaks a language, and whatever it speaks the language, you should be able to decode and interpret those languages. I was able to interpret. When I saw that language, I entered on the snake and I was using soulless and we were able to make money for that. Another one we also gave out is what GBPUSD. We didn't get an entry for this, but it actually played out just as we described played out the way we describe it. Let's go. 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 All right. Good. Market was, you can see the gap. Market was on. I said I'm going to be looking for a buy at this junction. But what happened that I didn't take a buy? Let me show you guys. You can see that the market came back here because of this consolidation I saw here. So I expected, I came to 1 hour and I showed us that what this formation is simple. Market is all about formations. You can see the formation higher. Then you can consider this is a level ground and it's higher, higher, then at the highest here. Can you see? Then I'm expecting that it want to come and from under one level ground. After from that level ground, they show me confirmation. See what market is doing. Can you see? This is not confirmation, guys. This is not confirmation. This is never a confirmation. It shows that what bear sellers are still in the market is still a bearish after the market broke with a humongous bearish candle. Can you see? So I stepped out. I never took this market. That's how you avoid losses in the market. You just wait for confirmation. No matter when the market comes to your area of concentration, you also wait for confirmation. Every market must speak a language that I'm ready to buy and I'm ready to sell, no matter what. So that language must be spoken before you can take that buy or sell. So that language speaks here, but I didn't take it. I missed. So maybe I wasn't watching I wasn't watching this trades or something else, or I didn't miss out that the buy eventually played out. And it was massive. How many pips was that? It was massive, guys. It was crazily and massive, guys. That was about, can you see? That was about 200 pips. Crazy, more than 200 pips. That's crazy, the buy alone. I told us that whenever we gave a trade, that trade is going to be playing out for that week. I said I was looking for buy at this point and see the buy played out and yet and it still goes. Can you see? Over 200 pips, over 300 if I'm not mistaken measure. Jesus, I said it. 200 pips plus, guys. That is close to 250 already. I think imagine just picking that alone. You are done for the week, guys. You are done for the week. And any trade we give you guys, I always said it about it will definitely play out for that week most times. If you give you a sell, most shot for that sell might do a sell for the whole of the week. So that is it can be good for it will be good for scalpers, good for day traders and swing traders. Any one of them can make money. Even position traders will be able to make money with it. That's our signal. We give you an overall. We have in that overall, you can also scalp and make your money from there. You can also do a trader and day trade in it. Am I talking to somebody? So that's exactly what. And I said, I can remember, I can still remember I gave it good as well last week. A lot that we gave out, I think we gave out to 6 or 7, and most of them played out. There was some that we didn't pick actually. Yeah, I said I think I was looking for. Yeah, I think gold was good actually. I think gold was on 1 year. Last week was 27. Don't forget. Yeah, this is 2026. Yeah, and I said I'm looking for a buy on 1 year. And a buy on 1 year. I actually went for a short sale and a short buy because I didn't use. Okay, this thing we are seeing was not too strong. But eventually the buy market played out with a long buy. Fancy. Played out a massive buy. Now it's coming back to that area again. That same area again. This is where I was expecting the first buy. It didn't come back, the market went up. So I didn't pick it up here. So that is it. So you will always see what we call confirmation candle. You will always see it and market because it played out. It will always show you I'm ready to buy, I'm ready to sell, I'm ready to buy, I'm ready to sell. I think the last one, let me just show you so you can handle this video. I don't want it to be too long. I also gave you this baby and I said I'll be looking for a short, a long rather. Yeah, I can remember market was around here. Yeah, this is the gap. Okay, this is the gap. This is the gap 27. Yeah, thank God. I can, this is the gap 26. And Monday 27. Good. When markets push up here, push up. This is the gap. I saw the market touch my trend line here. Touch our trend line. Let me show you how the trend line was so long from daily. Touch it here. I saw this formation. I saw this formation. Let me show you. Let me show you on the daily time frame why I picked this buy also for the EURJPY last week. And all of these guys, all of this trade I gave it out last week. I gave it out last week that I'm gonna be buying. Yeah, you can see the trend. This is this trend line come from daily. Market broke away this trend line. After breaking away this trend line, it's coming back to retest under above it. That was where I got my entry that what this is a buy. When the market breaks above, it's not just like a breakout and retest. That's what it did here on a daily time frame. Imagine that doing a breakout and retest, not on 1 hour time frame, not on 2 hour time frame, not on 30 minute time frame. On a daily means that what for the whole of that day, it's going to be a buy market, a long market. So I saw that, I saw the breakout and seeing the retest again. So I have to come down to my lower time frame and see what is going on there. What is going on there? And I see what's going on. I saw this Mongos buy coming back to this point, and I want to find my entry, then push. We're able to make money. So that was why we did, and we're able to make money on USDJPY and a lot more like that, guys. I hope your week also was profitable. Mine was cool and okay. I hope yours was as well good. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe to this channel, and of course, you can join us on Telegram. We used to have daily and a fine sweet signal every blessed day. I think last week we had about 16s and we lost none. We lost zero. Zero. We won every over trade last week. That is 16 to 8. Every about trade last week, guys. So we also have what we call VIP, which is free. You can join as well. And we are hosting a free training very soon on gold, live free training on gold. It's going to be changing your life and giving you direction and how you can perfect and master the technical analysis. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to join us on Telegram. And of course, you can subscribe to the channel if you're just watching the very first time. Thank you and see you on the inside, guys. Bye for now. Peace out.